In this video, I'll show you how to build a customer feedback loop in Typeform linked to Zendesk tickets. Start by signing into your Typeform account. From the dashboard, click Create Typeform, then choose Start from Scratch. Next, enter a title for your form and add a short description explaining that you're collecting customer feedback. After that, add the questions you want your customers to answer. Include a rating question to measure customer satisfaction, a short text question asking what could be improved, a question for the customer's name, and an email question so you can follow up if needed. Now click Connect and search for Zendesk. Select the Zendesk integration and sign into your Zendesk account to authorize the connection. Next, configure the integration to create a new Zendesk ticket whenever someone submits the form. Map the customer's name, email, satisfaction rating, and feedback to the appropriate Zendesk ticket fields. Choose the ticket priority and assign it to the appropriate support group if needed. After that, click Publish to make your Typeform live. Submit a test response to verify that the integration is working correctly. Finally, sign into Zendesk, open the Tickets section, and confirm that a new support ticket was created with the information from your Typeform submission. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a customer feedback loop in Typeform linked to Zendesk tickets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.